All right, folks, 2017 Ford Fusion 1.5 liter EcoBoost. Let's check the air filter. All right, so I'll show you how to change the air filter. Ready? Let me set you up here. It's pretty simple. It's two clips right here. One, two. And then over here, there's a two slots. This cover slides into it. All right, so you're going to have to lift it up and pull the cover out of the way. You got this harness over here that's connected with a little Christmas tree clip here and over here. You don't have to remove it because it's flexible, and we're just going to be able to lift it up. All right, don't have to disconnect the hose or the sensor. It's pretty good. All right, so right here, one clip, two clips. Now remember, that piece slides into a hole over there. All right, this piece right there. Don't lift this piece up here. I'm going to tilt it. Actually, I'm going to push down on it. Tilt, and it comes right out. Okay, lift it just enough you can, and just get the air filter out. Okay, let's go. Let's take this air filter out. Slippery. All right. Not bad. Got the little felt in there. Filter looks clean. All right. Gonna get all the debris out here. And we'll put it back in. All right. So if you have a dirty air filter, this is the time you put the new one in. All right. So just slide it back in there. One goes in one way. It's a rectangle. All right. That goes in there like that. This is the little clip right here. You notice that it has a little bit of a curve going up. That's why you have to tilt it a little bit. That goes in there. The one in the back will go in. And then you see that it'll sit perfectly. All right. Put the clip back on. And this one over here. There you go. There's your air filter. That's your air filter check, air filter change. Easy peasy. You can do it. All right. Thanks for watching, folks.